Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind-the-scenes toy photography video. This week I'm going to show you how I improvised this shot with limited resources at a friend's house. I call it diplomatic discussion. I'll also show you how I edited the image in Photoshop. I was recently visiting some friends out of town and one of them showed me these great Lego sets he had. I ended up shooting two of them, the Coruscant Guard Gunship and the 501st Clone Troopers Battle Pack. I only brought my camera and a couple small panel lights with me, so I had to improvise the scenery, which was mostly just this glass coffee table topper as a ground surface. As much as I wanted to take a wider shot of the gunship itself, I opted to go for a macro shot and use the gunship as the background. I used a fairly shallow depth of field to keep the focus on Supreme Chancellor Palpatine and Senator Amidala. I used a small basket to fill in the rest of the background and then positioned my lights. I used warm white in the front and blue in the back. Here's my starting image. It already looked 95% the way I wanted, so edits were pretty minimal. I started by cropping the image and adding some adjustment layers for levels, color balance, hue, and saturation. The biggest part of this edit was using the healing brush tool to edit out all the dust on the glass. I thought I had dusted it off well enough beforehand, but clearly not. I didn't remove every single mote of dust because I don't have the patience for that kind of thing, but I think I at least made it a lot less noticeable. Following that, I did some dodging and burning on the minifigs. So once again, here's my starting image, and here's where we ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button and checking me out on Instagram. Thanks, and until next time.